RentPackage, the free advertising online rent management platform. Sign a contract online. Manage your tenant, manage your available house, and manage your rent collection. www.rentpackage.com.
Hello everyone, I'm Puck. Last time we've learned how to change the first 3 stages of water filters. For those who haven't watched the video, click the icon in the corner. Today I'm going to show you how to change the 4th and 5th stage water filter cartridge. The 5th stage water filter used in this video is my Van Stone water filter cartridge. Also, prepare a needle nose pliers. Pull out the 4th and 5th stage filter. Unscrew and drain the filter. Unscrew and disconnect the tubing of the 4th stage RO membrane water filter. Unscrew the lid of the housing. Use the needle nose pliers to remove the filter. Clean the housing. Put in the new 4th stage filter. Screw back the lid. Connect the tubing back in place. Remove the 5th stage filter. Attach the new 5th stage filter. The 5th stage filter is adjustable. You could also use an activated carbon water filter cartridge instead of a My Van Stone filter. You could also add a 6th water filter. For further information, there's also outdoor water filter. That's all for today.
This video is brought to you by RentPackage Technology.